Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a live stream with StreamYard detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the StreamYard website. Click on the Get Started button. If you don't have an account, select Sign Up. Provide your email address and create a password. After signing up, log into your StreamYard account. Once logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Click on Create a Broadcast. Choose whether you want to go live on Facebook, YouTube, or another platform. Select the platform you've chosen. Log into your social media account if prompted. Grant StreamYard the necessary permissions to access your account. Fill in the title of your live stream. Add an optional description for your audience. Choose the privacy settings for your stream. Select the date and time for your broadcast if you want to schedule it. Click on Create Broadcast to proceed. You'll be taken to the studio page. Familiarize yourself with the studio layout. To invite guests to join, click on Invite in the top right corner. Copy the link provided and share it with your guests. Adjust your settings in the studio, such as microphone and camera. You can select a layout for how your stream will appear. Use the Brand tab to customize your stream with logos and colors. Click on the settings icon for additional options like audio and video. Once everything is set up, click on the Go Live button. Wait for the confirmation that you are live. Engage with your audience during the stream. When you're ready to end the broadcast, click on the End Broadcast button. Confirm the action to stop the live stream. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.